Hello, today we're going to continue the series of trainings about how to use Gemini inside of your Google Workspace account. Today we're going to focus on regarding Google Sheets. So in that one, I will show you basically different short things that you can do inside of it. So as I explained to you, today we're going to talk about help me organize. And my name is Stanley Siciliano. I'll be your presenter today. And besides a Gemini training, I'm also a deployment engineer and a Google Workspace training as well. So today we're gonna show you how to access Gemini, how to create a simple table using a prompt inside of Gemini, and also how to insert the table inside of the document. So we're gonna move right now to the Google Sheet that we are gonna use, and in order for me to show you how to access different settings in there. Okay, so let me try to stop my presentation for this one, and I will use a different one right now. So on this one, as you can see, I already have a document created with Google Sheets. And basically from here, you can use a simple prompt to create a table inside of it. So for this one, we're gonna go to the little icon that looks like a little star in here. After you enable Gemini in your admin console, you just click on this one and it will open you a series of preview questions and also a place that you can put a prompt in there. I already have a prompt that I created before. So we're gonna use that one in here and we're gonna put it in this little screen. So the prompt is we're gonna put it in here on the part that says enter a prompt here. So we're gonna put it here, and what we are gonna do is just press enter, and it will start creating the table in here. It will show you like a little preview to your right, and at the middle of the screen you will see the table already created, and it will give you already a format in there. So basically, when you have the prompt already created and the table created, you just click on insert, and it will insert the table for you. Simple as that. So today this is the training that I was preparing for you, and please be on top of our YouTube channel. Give a like to this video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to our channel in order for you to receive notifications of new videos that we are gonna continue uploading in the presentation. So this is basically the end of the training for today. And have a great day. And thank you for choosing Suitebriar.